Namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Live, and in today's video I will be sharing with you kitchen countertop organization ideas. If you have a clean and clear kitchen countertop, it means you are blessed with all those cabinet spaces you required, but not every one of us has the same privilege. This countertop organization ideas will be helpful for you to maximize the space, and also it will enhance the kitchen's aesthetics too. As you know that I am a decor lover, I tried to combine organization and decor in this video, and I have purchased these products from offline stores, online stores. I will be linking all the products in the description box below. Before starting, a little reminder, don't forget to subscribe to Home Hashtag Live and hit that bell icon to get regular updates. So let's get started. Tea is a very staple beverage in our Indian household, and we keep our teacups and plates on the counter in a basket or sometimes in drawers, which can occupy a lot of space. This teacups and plate holder will be great addition to your kitchen countertop to organize your cups along with its saucers.
Take a step into the river. Get down on your knees.
Also, you can use this teacup and saucer holder in your crockery cabinet to display your nice teacup sets.
You will find the life is.
Or you can set up a tea station in a very limited counter space. It will be very convenient for everyday use.
You keep you warm when you stay in the night. I will shelter, I will fight.
This is a wrought iron plate rack. Along with its functionality, I really love how it looks. It has 4 sections, and these sections are big enough to hold your big plates. You can keep 6 quarter plates in one section very easily.
Point of no return.
If you keep your plates on kitchen countertop for daily easy access, then this plate holder will add a nice decor touch in your kitchen.
Sailing with the breeze.
If you do not have enough cabinet space, then definitely you can transfer your daily use plates on kitchen countertop, and you can set your plates in this holder. Even you can use this plate holder to display your nice platters, or it can hold chopping boards too. You can use this dish rack or plate rack as a lid holder too. This is very versatile and aesthetically very pleasing and attractive. Coming to the next, this is a metal napkin holder. Though it is a napkin holder, but I thought to use it as a hot plate or coaster holder. We can keep it beside the gas stove or hob and organize hot plates inside this napkin holder. So whenever we need the plate to keep hot pots or pans, they will be very handy. Or else we can organize our chopping board also. It will look really nice on your kitchen countertop. While organizing or decorating our kitchen, this type of think outside of the box ideas are great to enhance the look of our kitchen, and we can optimize our budget too.
Take a step into.
Here is another kitchen countertop organizer. It is a chopping board cum towel hanging holder. It is big enough to hold all your chopping boards together. Suppose you have many chopping boards and also in different sizes, this organizer can hold all of them together.
When you go through the storm, I will.
It has a wire attachment in front where we can hang the wipes or small kitchen towels to dry.
I will shelter, I will fight.
Many of you ask me how we can keep or store our daily used wipes so that the counter will look nice. So here is one solution for you. Next, I want to share with you this bamboo wall mounted pig rack. Though it is meant to hang clothes, hats, etc., but we can easily organize and display our nice mugs or cups collection. I am sharing it as an idea, so did not want to put holes to hang it. I used 2 zip ties to hang this rack and it worked so well. It can hold up to 10 cups or mugs. By this way, you can free up your kitchen cabinet space, display these beautiful mugs, and moreover, it will be very easy to access, and nevertheless, it will make your kitchen look more beautiful. This 3-layer multi-storage rack is another versatile product to maximize your kitchen counter space. We can use the rack to hold all everyday used bowls, snacks bowls, glasses near the plate holder. It will create a nice setup for a serving area. Or we can store extra spices in the bottom rack and those small spice bottles on the top 2 racks for easy access. We can place the rack beside the gas stove to hold our daily needs kitchen items, or we can store potato, onion. The top rack can be used as utensil holder too.
Through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm.
This is a metal candle dish from IKEA and it is such a deal. Although this tray is supposed to be a candle holder, but I am using it on our kitchen countertop to organize all daily used oil containers.
You shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces.
It looks so beautiful on the countertop, very easy to clean and helps to maintain a neat to clean kitchen.
You're sailing with the breeze.
I am really happy to find this product. This is actually a sink organizer. If you have a dual sink, then only it will serve the purpose. But I found a different way to use the sink organizer. I'm using it to hold dishwashing essentials inside the compartment and using this wire to dry the kitchen wipes. How convenient it is, and keep your sink area nice, clean and tidy. I'm using it in our utility area, hung it with the help of 2 screws. Let's have a look again where I'm giving you the idea here inside my kitchen. I loved the idea, and let me know in the comment section below what do you think about it. And the product to keep your sink area neat or clean is this self-adhesive still sponge holder. It came with an adhesive bag which I have fixed here, and I really found it useful. This way all water dripped away and the sponge can air dry fast. I'm using another one in the utility area too. It's been 3 months now and there is no sign of rust. No need to drill on the kitchen wall, and overall a good sink organizer to make your kitchen look beautiful.
Where you will find peace. Take a step into the river.
Last organizer of this video is this Chakla Belan Tawa Chimta organizer. It has an option to hang it on the wall. Anti-skid stoppers are there in all 4 legs. In this organizer you can keep your roti tawa, chakla, roti cloth, belan, chimta, everything together. These section lines prevent the tawa or chakla from sliding. It is made out of solid steel body and very sturdy. It will keep your kitchen counter clutter free, and if you wish you can hang it on the wall too, which will be another great option to maximize your kitchen counter space. In this stand you can organize all your roti making essentials in a very neat way.
Point of no return. You pick up the pieces.
I have mentioned all the product details in the description box below, so if you wish you can check them there. These are very simple yet functional kitchen countertop organization ideas. If you like these ideas, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with someone you care. Subscribe to Home #Life for more videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
So come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river and get down on your knees.